I'm in Central Park, so let's get to some birds. A blue jay. Notice how you can't really see the blue. I know it was just brief, but brief moment for education too. They actually aren't blue at all. So given it is quite cloudy out right now, you can see the true color of blue jays, which is actually gray. Arrays of gray, actually. Let's get going. Aww, just a little spoof. I love talking about like how you can identify the males between the females with house sparrows. That head is bright. You see like the white or the yellow dot too.
That's such a cool bird. Man, that coloring is so vibrant.
Wow. Oh.
Oh yeah, here's some others over here.
Those like bright yellow feet, I can't get over them. I don't know where those mergansers went. Did they dive down?
The mergansers were here a second ago.
Yeah, where the heck did they go?
They're fast movers.
They are diving ducks, so... Oh, there they go.
Oh yeah. I love that. I just love that wild hairdo they've got. It's just such a great thing. Just such an awesome bird hairdo.
Right? Oh, it's so majestic.
Yeah.
So stunning.